My name is Joe Petrosko. I'm a professor here in the Department of Leadership, Foundations, and Human Resource Education. My areas are statistics, research methods, and evaluation. Uh, I've been at the university for 35 years, so it's been really largely my career has been here at the University of Louisville. Uh, I've done a number of different types of research studies over the years and collaborated with faculty on many of those studies. Sometimes I've also worked, or pretty often I've also worked with doctoral students. So some of the areas I've worked in have included special education, elementary and secondary education, probably mostly the latter related to school reform in the state of Kentucky. Uh, the state of Kentucky was one of the early states in 1990 to pass a comprehensive school reform law, and that resulted in a number of really interesting opportunities for researchers, including large amounts of data pertaining to the accountability of and assessment of schools. So I was involved in research studies in that area, school reform, measuring school performance. I still have an interest in that area, and some of the studies I've worked on relate to that. Right now I'm working on a number of studies, and I just might mention a few of those. There's a dissertation study I'm working with a student who is a school principal here in Jefferson County, Kentucky. She's interested in the differences that might exist between those elementary schools that are departmentalized and those that are not. There are some elementary schools that have actual departments. And for that study, we'll be looking at data that came from the Kentucky Student Assessment, and we'll be using hierarchical linear modeling to analyze the data. I might just mention that the statistical techniques I'm pretty familiar with are the standard techniques that most researchers would be familiar with, including analysis of variance, regression analysis, logistic regression,